Aries, welcome to my channel. So today's reading, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of November 2021. In this video, we'll be checking something different today. I'll be taking only and only love readings. So for those people who are not here for love readings, I'm really sorry for today, but I am really getting strong romantic feelings. So that is why I am wearing the romantic t-shirt. Okay, so this deck is different from the other decks, so whatever the exact messages are going to come from this deck towards you, these are the exact messages for you. And for those people who will not be getting the situation as their situation, because this is something direct, I'll be doing only a situational reading. So if the situation does not matches with you, so you do not have to think about it. Okay, so this might be not your reading today, so it will be for very less people. All right, so let's get started with your reading for my Aries, November 2021. Let's see. So I'll be looking at your person's energy, your energy, okay, and we will see the final outcome of this relationship. So let's get started now. Okay, let's check your person's energies towards you. Okay, so we have the Queen of Cups as the first card, and this is something your person is trying to tell you, that I am really emotional towards you, I really love you. So this is your person is telling you, this is a true love from my side. I feel compassionate about this love, but I don't know about you. Okay, so this is how I am giving you love. So this is something your person is trying to tell you. All right, let's check more. So we have the Nine of Wands. Okay, so this person, what I feel is in a protection kind of a mode. So this person is thinking that yes, I love you, but still I am trying to bound myself. I'm not able to give you the more what I can give you. So I'm protecting myself from you or from something else. Somebody might not see us together, somebody might not say something to us, so I am protecting that thing. I'm guarding this relationship. This is the reason you are not getting me the way I want to be with you. You are not able to get me the exactly, there's some communication issues as well, what I can see. Let me check one more card. The Hanged Man is here. So this person is trying to figure out things. Okay, so they really love you. If the communication is not happening between both of you, there is a reason, because they feel stuck. They are re-evaluating the situation and they want to protect themselves as well as the relationship. So they might be not in a place where they are putting some actions towards this relationship. This is the reason they are not putting the action. Let us check your energies now towards them. Let's see Aries energies towards my cross watcher, towards their person. Okay, one more thing, this energies can be reversed. If you feel that the other person is you can take it as vice versa. All right, okay, so one card is here. So we have the Six of Pentacles from your end. Okay, so this is something you are here, you are telling them that I am giving all of my love to you. I want to share this love with you. I want to be with you at every place, at every circumstance. Okay, but you also have to be with me at the same time. The things which I want from you has to be the same way. If you deserve love, I as well deserve love. The same love which you are deserving, which you are getting from me. But I am not getting that love somewhere. Okay, you have some issues with that they are not giving you the same love. Okay, so Five of Pentacles is the next card. So you are telling them that you are abandoning me. Please do not try to abandon me. So this is just below this card, Nine of Wands. It's just below this energy. So this is the reply of the of your person, like I am protecting myself, and you are saying that do not try to abandon me, do not stop talking to me, at least talk with me, communicate with me. We will find a solution about the problem we are having. Okay, so this is your energy. You are I really feel that you have left me out in the cold, and now I have nowhere to go. The next card is Two of Swords. You have put me into a situation where I am not able to guess, I am not able to take any decision. I don't know what is right and wrong. I do not know from where to choose, and I don't know anything. What you are doing, because they are at the hanged place. See the hanged man energy, and just below that we have this energy. So this is the reply of their hangman situation, because they feel stuck, and because of them you also feel stuck in the situation. Now let's see the outcome of this situation. Now we are pretty much sure about the situation, what exactly is the situation between both of you. For those people whose situation is not this reading is not for you. Now we will see the outcome of the situation. Let's check. Okay, so we have the Eight of Pentacles. So I really feel that you both will be working into this relationship. You both are not going to say goodbye so easily, because somebody out of you both is going to work really hard in this relationship, and somebody wants to fulfill his or her dreams in this relationship. It can be you, it can be your person as well in this reading, but no one is going to give up. Somebody out of you both is not going to give up into this situation. Seven of Pentacles energy we have. Patience is the key in the situation of yours, okay? Because things are not happening really fast. Things are taking pause, and things are becoming temporary for you. From somewhere you feel that this relationship is temporary, the situation is temporary. What exactly is temporary? Is this pause temporary? So you are trying to figure out that thing, and I see that patience is something which you are going to give in this relationship. And in regards with the patience, you are going to put lots and lots of effort in this relationship. I see more Pentacles energy, so that is why the situation is quite slow around you. Things are not going to happen really fast, but have trust in the universe. Things will be fine. Okay, so one more Pentacles energy. So we have the Page of Pentacles here. So planning is required in this relationship right now, and because of perfect planning only you will be achieving this thing. Okay, Eight of Pentacles thing, because you are working really hard. You will be working really hard and giving full commitment towards this relationship. This is what is coming up. I'm going to check some cards, like I want to see whose energy is coming out like this, whether it's your energy or your person's energy over here. Okay, so I feel that they are going to put some efforts in this, although you both are going to put little efforts, but their efforts are better, much better than yours, because they have the Five of Wands, but you have the Three of Swords. It feels like at the time you are going to feel abandoned with them, because they are trying to defend themselves, they are trying to protect themselves, and you will start to feel that they are trying to ghost you and they are not talking to you. The day you will start to feel that they are trying to ghost you, you will start to ghost them as well. And this is the problem. This heartbreak is painful, but you are going to let them go. So take things one at a time over here, and they might come back. Okay, they want to come back. They are just being a little defensive at this time, at this current situation, but I'm definitely seeing a comeback in the situation. So very beautiful reading, because I was really afraid what might come in the outcome, because I can't lie then. Okay, so this is definitely a comeback of the love situation you are going through. So all the best, Aries. I hope this helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.